Well, sitting here in a grassy cow pasture in this hard Brandy Station dirt, and I wanted to share something that after 25 years of relic hunting has managed to elude me. I found different ones over the years, but not this most common type. So I'm going to pan in the hole here about 6 inches down. You can already see what I'm talking about. I haven't pulled it out of the hole yet. Let's see what it is. We'll see if it's a US. Oh, it's all there. Got a little bend at the top. Man, that's so amazing. History right here. Last person to touch this was here either during the Battle of Brandy Station or camped out here with the 6th Corps. That's a beauty right there. That's a beauty for sure. Man, thank you. Thank you, Lord. Thank you, John Rose. Appreciate you letting us get on this historic spot again. I might just be done for the day, but I got some time left. Could bring some more luck.